Hello guys, welcome to Health in the Kitchen. Today, we will teach you how to prepare a delicious and nutritious dish, perfect for those looking for a healthy and tasty diet. Let's show you how to make a grilled salmon with poached spinach. This is an easy and quick option to prepare, besides being rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. So let's go. If you're a fan of fish and are looking for a healthy and tasty option, grilled salmon with sautéed spinach is the perfect recipe for you. In addition to being rich in nutrients, this recipe is easy to prepare and will leave you feeling light and energized at the same time. So what are you waiting for to try this delicious and healthy recipe? Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos every week. And if you like the recipe, share it with your friends and family. Oh, and don't forget to check out our ebook with over 30 healthy recipes for your day-to-day. The link to download the ebook is in the video description. Before we begin to teach the preparation of this healthy delight, these are the necessary ingredients for preparation. 1 salmon fillet, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 pack of spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 1 tablespoon butter, juice of half lemon. Now with all ingredients in hand, we go to the preparation mode. Start by seasoning the salmon fillet with salt and black pepper to taste. In a hot frying pan, add the olive oil and grill the salmon for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until cooked. While the salmon grill, wash and chop the spinach and set aside. In another skillet, add the butter and chopped garlic and sauté for a few minutes, until the garlic is golden brown. Add the spinach to the skillet and mix well with the sautéed garlic. Season the spinach with salt and black pepper to taste and add the lemon juice. When the salmon is ready, remove from the skillet and serve with the sautéed spinach. And that's it, guys, that was our grilled salmon recipe with poached spinach. We hope you enjoyed it and experienced this healthy and delicious option at home. Don't forget to leave your comment below with your review of the recipe and suggestions for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And don't forget to check out our ebook with over 30 healthy recipes for your day-to-day. The link to download the ebook is in the video description.